What's good, YouTube? We're live from Imo State, Nigeria, and I'm gonna give you a full house tour on my house in the village. Built it from scratch. This was literally all grass and turned into this, everything you can see behind me. But I'm gonna give you the quick story on how this all started. So first and foremost, on this side of the house, this is actually the house that we were initially staying in. My dad started building this in, let me say, like the early 2000s. And then in 2007, he passed away, unfortunately. I was 7, my brothers were 6, the other one was 5, it's 3 of us. He started this house. We're gonna give you a tour of this house. He wasn't able to obviously finish it because he passed, and then we kept this house just in memory of his efforts and built a house to really bring his full vision to life. So now, me and my cousins, we're gonna give you a full tour on both houses so you can kind of see how we live in the village in Nigeria. Let's get it. So joining me on today's tour, we have Ella. Ella, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name is Daniela Chizova.
How old are you?
11.
And who are you to me?
I'm his cousin.
All right. So I'm going to give them a tour of the old house first to kind of show them what my father started before he passed in 2007 and kind of give them a vision of what it was supposed to be, where it kind of ended at. So let's do it. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it going. So right here is kind of the outdoor side of it. I don't know what they're going to do with this wood. I think this is firewood.
Yes.
This is firewood, ba. So they're going to use that on burn fire. This is kind of like the outdoor corridor with a fan. This is kind of where the family meets, gathers. Normally there's like chairs here if the community wants to come and say what's up. It's kind of like outside of it right here, you know. Sometimes people drive foods there, so I believe that's some, what is that thing, stockfish? Let's go and see what
Oh, this is fish and chicken.
Okay, fish and chicken.
Yeah.
It's being dried out on the outside, so that's kind of what's going on outside. Then a little corridor, and obviously for security purposes, we have barbed wires, something that's very common in Nigerian houses across the entire house. So try if you can. We do have some security resources that I wouldn't encourage you to introduce yourself to. This is the living room in the old house. As you can see, pretty empty, pretty old school, but this is actually where we started. Between, I'd say, because we come to Nigeria actually every 2 years. So I'd say we've probably been in this house for maybe 6, 7 years. This is kind of the dining where everybody comes and eats. We actively still use this dining. That's why you can see the chairs out of place. Family still makes use of it. Come here, chill sometimes, pray here a lot. As you can see, this is kind of like I said, the older spot. This Christmas tree has probably been here for like 6 years for me. So Ella, you can show us the remaining house.
Okay. And now, this is the rooms.
Yep, it's room 1. It's kind of like an older room. Again, sometimes we have visitors, we have them just chilling here.
Then this is
It's kind of another room as well. These all used to have bed frames, but mostly like kids stay here, so that's why it kind of looks a bit outdated. And then we have another room.
We have another room.
So what is that? 3 rooms now. Go ahead and unlock. So we got people. I actually used to stay in this room. This used to be my room. This used to be my room. This used to be my room. You probably see some of my stuff still in here probably. This is very much my old room. This is where I used to stay every time we came back. Right here. You know what I mean? On to the next. We have fridge. I don't know if that shit is open.
Then this is the
Yup. This is the tub.
bathroom.
Yup. This is the tub. So this is where we used to bath. Like I said, it used to be a bit cleaner like this. Yup. Yup. So it is actively still used, but this is where. Yes.
And this is the toilet. On.
Toilet.
Yeah.
This is where we used to use the bathroom at.
Bob.
Like I said. No light in this joint.
See, Bob.
Yeah, but we used to use touch in this place. We used to use touch. There's no lights.
And then this is the kitchen.
You have the kitchen. So this kitchen is used way more than the kitchen in the other house, just because I think everybody just likes the traditional setup, the traditional vibe. Normally the aunties sit right here, just chillax, water cooking. And little bit is always in the kitchen. She's always in the kitchen making sure that the house is eating. So we have, how many rooms now?
2.
2, 3, and then 4.
Yeah.
This is kind of a storage room now, but this used to be my mom's room. What I can do is these. This is where we have a lot of our goodies, food items, some good, some probably outdated, malt. You know what I mean? So.
Yeah.
Okay, bring that tissue. I need that to my bathroom. Out in the yeah. Yes, spaghetti. All right, let's go out.
It's all in the old house.
To the new house we go.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make our way over to the new house, right beside the old house. Yep. So this is kind of what the.
And half from the downstairs. So we're gonna start from the downstairs.
We're gonna start from the downstairs. So let's go downstairs, shall we?
Yeah.
All right. So you come through the living room right here.
Yeah. This toilet.
Oh yes, good reminder. We have a toilet just in case somebody comes and they want to use the bathroom immediately. The plate is for pouring water. Yep. But toilet, just in case people want to use the toilet before they come into the crib. And we built this from scratch, literally from scratch.
Yeah.
And we have, these are our living room. New crib, big upgrade, y'all. This is a blessing, just walking in it from the old one. Kind of nostalgic for the kid, I ain't gonna lie. Have all the little kids. Y'all say what's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up?
What's up?
What's up?
My guy. So this is my nephew. This is my cousin's son. This is my cousin's son. She some is Ada's brother. Domi is Ada's brother. And that's that older brother there. What are you guys watching?
Miraculous.
Do people like this thing?
Yes, very sweet.
Very sweet something on Disney Channel. So let's keep it going. Let's keep the vlog going. My guy Chibike, what's up? What's up? My guy's what are you playing there, man? GTA. Is it GTA or this thing? St. Rose. GTA. Okay. St. Rose is a little bit better, right? Just a little bit better. So then we have room 1. I mean, this room is very, very neat. This is room 1. So yeah, every room has a bathroom, shower, toilet, fan that should be functioning, closet. Everybody has a closet to put their stuff. All right, looks like this is locked, but you can tell that these are pretty. Whew, this is malted quarters. Jesus. I didn't even know all that malt was in there. Let me smell. So that's room 1. Room 2, same difference. Don't open it. Don't open it. Don't open it. That's your dad's room. Keep it private. Feel me? But it's basically another room, same setup. We have the diner right here where us and the kids pull up. It's a little sink. You know what I'm saying? So like, you know, obviously Nigerians, we have a lot of food that eat with your hands like fufu and gari. So then you have a tap to wash your hands. Thank you. My guy. All right, let's keep it moving. So Ella is there just watching the video, making sure that everything is looking good on the DJI. Let's go. Let's take them to the kitchen. That's my sister. That's my sister Favor. Pressing her Android that her brother bought her. The kitchen. Woo! Big upgrade. They need to start using this kitchen.
Yes.
Fridge.
They want to start using this kitchen.
This is a very nice fridge. I don't know what it's like. I said, they use that other kitchen way more. What do you have?
Canola oil.
Okay.
Original.
Original.
Yeah.
Foil. We have everything you need.
Yeah.
Plates. Woo. Cabinets on the up. So yeah, that's the kitchen.
The oven, the blender, the spices.
Yes, the spices.
The top.
The top. We have our sink. Oh yeah, let's take them.
In the kitchen.
Yeah, we're in the
Cooking
kitchen.
for your food.
teaching the girls how to make spaghetti.
Spaghetti sauce.
Yeah,
I
man.
had to cook spaghetti.
Yeah. Ellen, what have you done so far?
That in spaghetti, if you want to put spaghetti, first I'll boil the water. After boiling, you put your groundnut oil so that the spaghetti will not
Stick. Yeah.
So also the sauce, I learned that after putting groundnut oil, you put your onion, tomatoes, and the ingredients.
Yeah. Ella is a superstar, man. Yeah.
The guy is the champion.
Yeah.
So now, this is the spaghetti sauce.
Let's take them up.
Let's go. Up, see up.
So this is it's a vibe. Y'all can see this shit is a vibe, man. Beautiful, especially compared to the old crib. This is amazing, you know. So that thing looks amazing, Abi. So this is the upstairs living room. Wow, real beautiful, right, guys?
Yeah.
Sometimes me and the kids chill right here. We literally just took the TV that was right here downstairs. So this is where we eat at times. We put on the fan, we chill. You know what I'm saying? Our little plate mats. You know what I'm saying? Catch that vibe. And this is really where we normally chill. So we have various rooms. So that's the mom's room. This is Kingsley's room. Stanley's room. And then we have my room. They all kind of have the exact same setup. Let me see. Kind of summing up the house tour. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Again, really creating this content to inspire y'all. Y'all can do this too. 23 years old in Maryland. Me and my brothers and my mom put out for this crib just so the cousins, when they come during Christmas, they can have a place to cap a vibe, have fun with us. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And that's the beauty of this family, man. And these are all blood relations. These are nobody who is just like people we met on the street. You feel what I'm saying? So it's like real love, and it's really important that we have a place that we can come, have fun, enjoy ourselves, play games, watch TV. Like, do you like when I come back?
Yes.
Why?
Because anytime door is to come back, everywhere is to be dry. Anytime you come back, it's not be sweet for us.
Sweet. What do you people like enjoying doing when I come back?
This is our phone, watch films, play games.
Make money, eh?
Yes.
What is hard about Nigeria? What is hard about it?
Because of poverty.
What do you mean? Tell us.
Like
Most of the people that I know, like for example my classmates, it's not every time he used to eat. Sometimes he knows to carry food and come to school. I feel so sad
Like
when I see
sometimes when my mom give us extra, he'll just maybe take this to manage. Like both my classmates also, his father died, and so my mommy heard about it, and anytime we were carrying snacks, she would give us extra to give him.
Wow. Child, so Naja is hard. Domi is the youngest of the family. Domi, how old are you now?
5.
5. Domi,
Yes.
how long have you known me? How long have you known me?
Since when I was born.
Expo.
5 years ago is 2019.
Yeah.
That's when I'm entering university.
Hey.
Domi was born from your mother's stomach. Domi, man, all these people, my cousins, we have a very special relationship.
This is my cousin.
Yeah, we have a very special relationship because we come to Nigeria every 2 years, and there was a period in time where we stayed in Nigeria for 3 years straight. We now went to school in lodges, but we were staying with 2 people. Your mother was taking care of us. Me, Uche, and Chida, we were sleeping in your house in Port Harcourt on the ground with you guys. Oh no, first is only Bobo, but I remember when Bobo was born. When Baba was born, Baba used to be very sick every fucking time.
Yeah.
Baba was always sick. He was a sick baby. Every time he came back, he was sick. And he was the upper part of the house until Dude's first child. Their mother is my mom's sister's first daughter. But my mom's sister has 12 kids. Tommy, can you shut up?
11.
You don't hear me talking?
11.
What did I say?
Your mom's sister has 12 kids.
Is 11 no?
Yeah,
Or 12?
I said 12.
So, their mother is the first of 11 children that my aunt had. So, my mom has as the last born of my mom's sisters, has a good relationship with their mom because their mom is the Ada of the Ada.
Yeah.
Ada is first daughter.
Yeah.
So, their mother is the Ada, and their grandmother is also the Ada to my mother. You get? So, that's how we are connected. And like I said, they have 11 or 10 other uncles and aunties. Make my cousins are their uncles and aunties.
Yeah.
So back to the story. When we were coming here for school, their mother used to take care of us.
Yeah.
And my mother was still in America, hustling and bustling. And we were staying with their mom, growing up with them. Watched him born. What year were you born? Which year?
2011.
Jesus. So that means no. That means Bobo is 1 when you are born. But I remember when you were born, they sent us a picture to America that Auntie Duda is pregnant.
Yeah.
Your mother was standing in the bush, holding her belly, and you're inside. They're sending us pictures of Bobo. Then it's now it's like 2012 when we came to do school here. That's when we started with Bobo. And then growing. Which year were you born?
2013.
2013. That is 2 years. That is the second year of me schooling in Nigeria. Ella was born. And when she was born, Ella used to suck everything. Ella thought that everything is her mother. That back in those days, if you give her gare, Ella was sucked. If you give her a cup, Ella was sucked. And we grew up with Ella because 2013 to 14, 15, that's when I was going to school here, you feel me?
Yeah.
So we literally watched Ella born, grow up, and then star. Ella is one of my smartest cousins.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of Ella. If you watch our game shows, you see that Ella never carry last. Ella is always hot on the game show. You feel me? Very, very smart, very, very prideful and aware of her energy. And very intelligent.
Yeah.
And we now have a little bit. So this one here is a very, very useful individual in the house. She is also my cousin. So my grandfather had 2 wives. So the first wife is where my mother is born with her mother's mother.
Yeah.
And then her own mother was from the second wife. So the second wife, that love is her grandmother, Mm-hmm. So the second wife gave birth to her mother, so she's my cousin from my grandfather's second wife.
Yeah.
So everybody in this house is blood related,
Yeah.
and the family, nobody here is a stranger. And a little bit, we love her a little bit. She's very smart. She's very bright.
Yeah.
She's very useful in the house.
Yeah.
She's very busy in the kitchen every day.
Yeah.
Make sure that make sure that we have food to eat and we're not hungry, and we're very grateful for her.
Yeah.
So, with that being said, I think that sums up the house tour. A nice little family indigent story. I think the kids want to go watch TV and play some games, so I think that's what we're going to do. Shall we?
Yeah.
But we're going to bring my water from there. All of those things that is there, bring it.
Yeah.
So that's our shoe, man.
Yeah.